360 divided by 36. Here 36 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 36. 36 times 0 times 1 equal 36 times 1 equal to 36. Then 36 times 2 equal to 72. To find out the multiplication table of 36 easily, just add 36 with the previous step. 0 plus 36 36, 36 plus 36 72, and this process will continue. 36 goes into these three how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 36. 0 times 36, 0. Subtract 3, bring down this 6. 36 goes into 36 one time, right? 1 time 36, 36. Subtract 0, bring down this 0. 0 0 means 0. 36 goes into this 0. 36 goes into 0 0 times, right? 0. 0 times 36, 0. 0 times 36, 0. So as our remainder is 0, we are done. So 0 1 0, that is 10 is our quotient or answer.